I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the emoji picker immediately so you can act, not just prepare. On Windows, press Win+. On Mac OS, press Control plus Command plus Space. Click into the text field so the cursor is active. This ensures the picker inserts into the right place. If you need specialized sets or search features, install a lightweight picker or browser extension. Once done, familiarize yourself with categories and the search box to speed up selection and avoid hunting through lists. You'll now select and insert emojis without hesitating. Type a keyword into the picker search to narrow options fast. This is why search matters. It saves seconds every time. Navigate results with arrow keys or mouse, then press Enter or click to insert. Emojis paste inline like text. Make a habit of marking frequent pics as favorites or using the Recent tab, because once you build that set, composing messages becomes quicker and more consistent across apps and documents. Finish by formatting and adding shortcuts so you won't repeat steps. After insertion, apply font size or color settings in your app if the emoji needs to match surrounding text. Some apps replace color emoji with monochrome glyphs, so choose fonts that support color. Create OS text replacements or app snippets for frequently used emoji sequences to insert them with a few characters. If you see empty boxes, update your OS or emoji fonts, and make sure apps support color emoji. That resolves most display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.